The Doe case was about a gentleman who was a stone fabricator. A stone fabricator is somebody who works in the stone cutting industry, who is the hard work behind the beautiful countertops that we see, the quartz countertops. Sadly, it's a beautiful product, but it is toxic and it's poisonous. The poison from the slabs, the artificial man-made slabs, is released by the work that is necessary for that product to become a countertop. That cutting releases toxins that caused this gentleman to get silicosis, which is an incurable lung disease.
It'll ruin your lungs, basically, and next thing you know, you can't breathe and you need a lung transplant, which is what happened with this guy. And luckily, he got his lung transplant because we've had others who haven't been so lucky and they end up dying while they're waiting for their new lungs.
When somebody gets in contact with these products and gets the silica in the lungs, everything changes forever.
He was an active man, a family man, hardworking, and to go from that to being crippled with an oxygen tank it's not something you'd wish on your worst enemy.
Every now and then, industry is an ass. And so it was with something called artificial stone or engineered stone. We basically make up this dough out of initially almost 95% crystalline silica, which is the nasty stuff.
The defendants knew their stuff was going to, they had a lot of silica in it and could really harm people, and they still make it. Their warnings weren't sufficient.
Their fight is to completely deflect. It's not the product that's hurting people, it's the process, it's the fault of the employers.
It's shocking how much they knew and yet still put this product out, and how they marketed the artificial stone slabs, that they had the nerve to call it natural when it's over 90% crystalline silica.
Silicosis is a death sentence, an incredibly painful, horrific disease. I mean, you are literally suffocating to death. The knowledge was extensive in the published peer-reviewed medical literature that unlike natural stone, artificial stone was going to kill all the workers, and they chose to make it and sell it anyway. When we started these cases 3 years ago, we had approximately 20 clients. We now have approximately 800 clients in 23 states. There is a group of defendants that are in almost every case because they were the most popular brands. We sue all of the manufacturers of all the brands and the distributors of all the brands. There was a whole group of defendants that were in the case. They went through over 100 days of depositions, intense discovery, just legions of lawyers for a couple years. And then we get assigned out to trial. The judge hears motions in limine and announces that the jury's coming in the next day. And at that point, all of the defendants settled. So it makes sense that a case like this, that the defendants would decide to settle for $27 million.
These are hardworking men, and they are good people, and they deserve just as much justice as anybody else, and often they are cast aside because of language issues, because they are seen as not educated, that they're a population that doesn't matter when they absolutely do, and that's what we're here to work for.
It sets the bar for other cases.
Finally, in California at least, we are hoping that within some months or some time, the product cannot be found here anymore.
We want the industry to change and for this product to be illegal and banned in California and the United States, and more good men shouldn't have to die. More children shouldn't be left without a dad, and wives without husbands. And if we don't act soon, that's exactly what's going to happen.